How you doing, folks? Gonna do another painting with this weird spinny pot. I've got some black paint loaded up in it, and gonna see how we go. So and get ready to go. And where's my bucket? Where's your bucket? We'll sit over there for now. Alright, get that out of the road. Let's sit here, drying out. So, let's turn this off. That was chaotic. What a lot of fun. Oh, what do we got here? We've got a boofy on this. Little hair or something. Can I get it? No, not yet. I'll worry about it later. Alright, this up here. Where's my... There it is. Alright, let's have a look. Boop, 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 boop. This one looks cool. I love it. So let's zoom you guys back out. So there it is there. Very chaotic, but yeah, I really like these sorts of paintings though. And it's a very cool contrast. Let's get you guys in a bit closer. Like the purple is the UV light doing its thing, but silver on the black, yep, I like it. That looks really cool. It really looks three-dimensional. It's really weird when you stand above them and look straight down upon them. It has this weird effect. I love it. It's yeah, just a quick one. A quick, crazy painting. So just want to say thanks for stopping by. You guys are all awesome sauce. And yeah, stand by for the big canvas. I'll start prepping that probably later this afternoon. I'm gonna do a black pearl base coat. So the whole base coat's gonna be pearl black. And then I've got to go down and buy a few more little pots of different metallic and pearl paints, and we're gonna go a bit crazy with it. We'll see what happens. But I will see all of you lovely folks next time.